the world will gather to celebrate their cultural identity. And whereas Tibet, located in the world's highest region of Central Asia, is known as the rooftop of the world. And whereas the stunning Himalaya mountains range acts as a huge contrast for lush forests and desert areas, creating a mountainous region quite like no other. And whereas Tibet's cultural and artistic legacy is renowned throughout the world. And whereas the Tibetan community enriches the city of Boston by promoting its history, cultural diversity, commitment to compassion and nonviolence, and work ethic of Tibetans who reside in and around Boston. And whereas the culture of Tibet is an integral part of the identity of its people, and preserving and celebrating its culture is of utmost importance to the Tibetan people. Now, therefore, I, Michelle Wu, Mayor of the City of Boston, do hereby proclaim March 10th, 2023 to be Tibet Day in the City of Boston.
Thank you. Wow.
On this day, and in recognition of Tibet Day, I order the Property Management Department to raise the flag of Tibet on the flagpole of City Hall Plaza in place of the City of Boston flag. So now I invite you all to rise if you're not already. We'll first play the national anthem of the United States, and then we'll play the anthem of Tibet and raise the flag.
Na